Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. The production of the new $100 bill represents a remarkable fusion of cutting-edge technology and advanced security features. Designed to uphold the integrity of U.S. currency, this new dollar note, crafted with precision, carries several enhanced features that make it more durable and secure than ever before. Each bill includes intricate microprinting, color-shifting ink, and a 3D security ribbon, providing strong deterrence against counterfeiting. The production line integrates state-of-the-art machinery, skilled craftsmanship, and stringent quality control measures to ensure each note meets the highest standards of excellence. Engineers and production experts meticulously oversee every stage, from design to printing to distribution, ensuring flawless execution. These enhanced $100 notes are not only a symbol of economic stability, but also a testament to the continuous innovation behind U.S. currency. The new production line underscores a commitment to securing the nation's financial transactions, bringing the future of banknote production to the present day.
Banknote paper production. A foundation for security and quality, the journey of a new €20 note begins in a specialized paper mill. Unlike regular paper, banknote paper is crafted to be durable, resilient, and resistant to tearing, crumpling, and environmental wear. Additionally, it serves as the primary line of defense against counterfeiting. Euro banknotes are made of a special cotton fiber-based paper, which gives them a unique texture and strength. Cotton fibers are selected not only for durability, but also for their compatibility with a range of security features that will later be embedded or printed onto the note. Once the cotton is processed and converted into a pulp, the fibers are pressed and rolled to create thin, even sheets of banknote paper. Advanced machinery ensures that every sheet meets exact thickness and weight standards. Quality control is paramount, as any slight deviation could affect the final product's appearance and usability. After forming the sheets, they undergo a range of treatments, including watermarking and embedding security threads, features that help make counterfeiting more challenging. Watermarks are created by altering the density of the cotton pulp in specific areas during the paper's formation, resulting in a visible pattern when held up to the light. For the new €20 note, this watermark reflects the design of a window arch, a symbol of the openness and transparency valued by the EU. With the paper ready, the next stage in banknote production is printing, a multi-layered, sophisticated process that involves several types of specialized inks and printing techniques to ensure quality, durability, and security. The primary technique used is intaglio printing, which creates the tactile, raised texture that makes Euro banknotes recognizable by touch. In intaglio printing, engravings of the banknote design are pressed into the paper under immense pressure, embedding ink into the surface and creating a tactile, three-dimensional effect. This process is followed by offset printing, which allows for vivid colors and fine details to be added to the note's design. The new €20 note features an intricate blend of colors, patterns, and European architectural motifs, with blue being its prominent color. Advanced digital controls monitor ink application, ensuring each note matches precisely with the others in hue and clarity. Offset printing also applies background color to the note, a vital component for both visual appeal and security. One of the most essential parts of Euro banknote printing is embedding complex security elements. Euro banknotes include multiple security features, such as color-changing ink, microprinting, and ultraviolet UV ink. Color-changing ink, for example, is used on the value numeral, which shifts color from green to blue when tilted. A simple yet effective way to authenticate the note. Microprinting, on the other hand, involves printing minuscule text on specific parts of the note, visible only under magnification. UV ink further enhances security by adding hidden details that appear only under UV light. Security elements embedded in the production process. The printing of the 20 euros note incorporates several high-tech security elements designed to thwart counterfeiters. One such feature is the hologram foil stripe, which is applied along one edge of the note. This hologram incorporates various elements, including the euro symbol, a window motif, and the value numeral. These holographic elements interact with light, creating dynamic effects that change based on the angle of view. Embedded within the paper is also a security thread, a thin strip visible only when held up to the light. This thread appears as a continuous line across the banknote, bearing microprinted text and symbols that authenticate the note further. Additionally, the note is equipped with a color-changing emerald number. This shimmering feature not only enhances the note's aesthetic appeal, but also adds a level of security. When tilted, the emerald green numeral 20 changes color to deep blue. Advanced serial numbering is another crucial feature, helping authorities track each individual banknote. This numbering is applied at the final stage of production, when the sheets are cut into individual banknotes and undergo rigorous quality control checks to ensure each note meets stringent standards for uniformity, security, and clarity. Throughout the entire production process, the new 20 euros banknotes are subject to strict quality control protocols. At each stage, from the paper mill to the final printing, automated systems and trained personnel inspect for any defects in paper quality, printing accuracy, and security feature integrity. These quality control measures prevent flawed banknotes from reaching circulation, maintaining the high standard expected of the euro currency. The inspection process is extremely thorough, relying on both automated systems and manual checks. High-resolution scanners and cameras analyze each banknote for color consistency, alignment, and completeness. Once a banknote has passed this comprehensive inspection, it is prepared for packaging and eventual distribution across the Eurozone. In addition to its technical and security-focused measures, Euro banknote production also emphasizes sustainability. The European Central Bank, ECB, and national central banks have prioritized eco-friendly practices, aiming to reduce waste, conserve energy, and promote recycling. Cotton fibers are sourced responsibly, and water used in the production process is filtered and recycled to minimize waste. Moreover, banks constantly explore ways to reduce the environmental impact of inks, foils, and other materials used in printing.